This isn't a smartwatch, it's a character. Disney Imagineer Terry Hardin and I created this as a living character experience, something reactive and emotional, playful, and alive on your wrist. But the interesting challenge wasn't only the character. It was, how do you create a system where characters can be imagined and directed and built and then deployed and evolved through conversation? That became the Tiny Animated Stage, or TAS. TAS is an AI-assisted creation environment combining conversational workflows, embedded systems, runtime orchestration, cloud services, animation pipelines, and interactive devices. And a large part of it was built collaboratively with ChatGPT. What became powerful about ChatGPT wasn't just code generation. It was the ability to collaboratively think through systems, including runtime architectures, deployment models, interaction design, developer workflows, and character behavior. For example, here I'm creating a new character called Blue Alien. I'm not manually scripting every movement. I'm describing personality, emotional tone, interaction style, and behavioral intent through conversation. ChatGPT helps translate those ideas into character direction, animation behavior, runtime logic, and deployment, including assets like motion and animation. Then the character moves from conversation into a live runtime system running directly on the watch. Not a canned animation, an interactive runtime environment with sensor-driven behavior, lifecycle management, runtime orchestration, and iterative refinement. At the same time I was building the infrastructure behind all of this, the Task Cloud Services and Deployment Agent system, I needed workflows that could package builds, deploy updates, manage runtime services, recover from failures, and push experiences out onto embedded hardware. And ChatGPT became something much more interesting than an assistant. It became a collaborative systems thinking partner. What really changed was the speed of experimentation. The workflow went from idea to conversation, to architecture, to deployment, to refinement. And once that workflow existed, the natural next question became, what happens when the AI moves beyond collaboration and starts participating directly inside the code base itself? Well, that's where Codex enters the picture.